we're sitting here on this couch, very, very excited because we're taking a trip tomorrow.
Outside of the country, I might add.
Yes, we're getting on a plane and starting our travels again. Just kidding.
Just kidding.
We're not fully into the travel mode just yet, but we are going on our first work trip, I guess you might say. Yeah. So this is our first official trip with J Squared Media.
For those of you that are unaware, with J Squared Media, we actually started a media marketing company. So anything from photos to videos for businesses.
So that's what we've been working on since we've been home.
Besides the RV, of course.
Yeah. So we're taking our first trip and we thought, since we're packing, literally in the process of packing, might as well show you guys what's in our bag.
Yeah, it would actually make a good checklist for us too.
To make sure we have everything, since this is our first paid gig, we cannot afford any mess ups. We need to make sure we have all our gear. So if any of y'all are in the same boat, you can also use it as a checklist.
So today we're gonna show you what tech gear is in our bags. So most importantly, because we'd be in big trouble, we forgot this, our camera.
So this is our main camera, our only camera at the moment. Our Sony a6500, right now it has a Sigma 16mm lens, f-stop 1.6?
1.4.
1.4.
But seriously, this has been our workhorse. This lens along with this camera.
That's our go-to.
Yeah. Awesome, awesome camera. And on top of it, we have a little Rode mic with a windscreen for wind.
The ultimate vlogging setup right here.
And it works great for client stuff too. So this is our wide angle setup here. If we want something a bit more close up, we've been using it a lot lately, and we have this bad boy here. And then this has actually been really good value. I think it costs like $200 or something.
Yeah, very great price point for such a great lens.
Yeah, so this one zooms 50 to 210 millimeters, and it's
solid.
Yes, it's been doing a lot for us lately.
So this is our camera setup at the moment, but let's just switch that back out.
And we lied, it's not our only camera.
So we also have this bad boy right here, the GoPro Hero Black 7. So we're a little bit behind, but this guy shoots really great stuff, like underwater quality,
yeah.
Just as a second backup camera. This is actually really great to have.
And our last camera, I guess we do have more than one camera. I think she meant handheld camera.
Yeah, our main camera.
We have our little drone. It's the DJI Mavic Air, the first edition, and this thing is so cool, huh?
I'm just sad thinking about the fact that we never used our warranty.
Oh, bummer. We should have crashed it on purpose.
We should have.
I don't think that's how it works.
We should have though.
And this bad boy shoots 4K video. It's super easy to use, like user friendly. Even Joanne can fly it. That was mean.
Not that bad, actually. I'm terrible at video games, so I'll take it. Fine.
But seriously, it's like
even I can fly it.
It's like working a video game. It's pretty cool.
Anyways, guys, so this bad boy, for its size, look at how small it is in comparison to a phone. Seriously, for something this size, it has great quality video, photos, eyes from the sky.
You're gonna poke me in the eye.
Maybe you deserve that for dissing on me. This is great value for what it is. The next best thing would be moving up to a Phantom, but that thing's gonna be so much heavier.
Yeah, and it won't fit in a little pouch like this.
Yeah, when we usually are traveling, we travel with either carry-ons or just a backpack, and this thing is perfect.
And of course, we gotta power all our stuff with extra batteries. So we probably could use more, but we have extra camera batteries, extra GoPro battery, and extra drones. And guys, if you're gonna record or take photos out there, you need a lot of batteries. The more
one is never gonna cut it.
Yes, the more the better. But just in case, we do have this nifty little thing. Where's it at? Oh yes, we have a couple of these.
Multiples.
And yes, and these are just
power banks.
Power banks, yeah. And so they work for phones, but we specifically use them for to charge our batteries while we're out on
traveling.
The road. Yeah.
So if we're going from one location to another location and we have an hour to spare, you best believe we're gonna be charging our batteries on the way.
You just plug in all your chargers and then just throw them in your backpack, and it's charging while you're on the go. And to stay on the topic of charging, we always pack this in our bag, and this is awesome for the hotel room just to charge everything. You have 3 traditional outlets and then 3 USB outlets with a USB-C outlet. So we can pretty much charge everything off of this thing.
Yeah, true. And of course we always travel with this. It's just some cleaning gear for all our equipment. It's initially used for camera gear, but we use it for literally everything. Dust,
Keyboards.
microfiber cloths, cleaning spray.
Yeah.
Literally this thing is awesome. A little makeup brush.
Yeah, sometimes sometimes the sensor of the camera gets like a little speck of dust and you just open it up and really, really useful.
But again, we use this on everything. Laptops, keyboards, everything. It's great. I wear my glasses sometimes.
And our latest major investment has been a game changer, and it's a Geon Crane 2S, and it's just a stabilizer for our camera, and it just gets some silky smooth footage. It's especially handy when you're walking and vlogging and talking.
It's not the lightest, to be honest, but I mean, you get a good workout in, gives you great shots, you're winning all over the place. We also travel with an extra SD card because you never know when these things are gonna crap out on you, and you don't wanna be stuck with nowhere to put your footage. That's basically all we use while we're out on location, shooting or vlogging. That's our setup. Those are the tools that we use. So when we're done shooting, we have to transfer all our stuff somewhere to edit it and throw it all together. So we have a couple different tools for that.
My editing workhorse is the MacBook Pro, and it's powerful enough to run Final Cut Pro and Photoshop and all that stuff, so I love this thing.
Yeah, sometimes you just hear it, you know, he's putting it to good use. My editing device is going to be my iPad Pro. So I actually just got this bad boy and comes with the Magic Keyboard, so this is where I do my editing.
Yeah.
I do have a laptop as well, but for the most part I edit my photos on here. I usually take care of the editing of photos and Javier does all the video stuff. So these two are our workhorses, but we need a way to transfer all of our stuff from our cameras to our devices. So let's go ahead and show you guys that. First off, we have our adapter, which has multiple ports. So this one has your SD card reader, your micro SD card reader, a HDMI reader, and multiple USB inserts. So this goes into the computer, and this is where we connect everything.
Yeah, and if you're in a hotel room that has HDMI, this thing comes in clutch to watch Netflix
off your laptop. Yeah. But nowadays everyone has smart TVs, right? In hotels.
That's true.
Or they should. No, I'm just kidding. Okay.
And then I have this little itty bitty guy. It's my external hard drive. It's only 1 terabyte, but I mostly use it just for editing because it's really fast. So I just have all my files here that I'm working with at that time, and then I transfer them over to a bigger hard drive.
Yeah, we have a bigger 12 terabyte one that's stuck at home all the time. And I just use a basic 4 terabyte external hard drive. It's not nearly as fast as Javier's solid state over there, but it does the job for me.
And of course, the stuff like headphones, chargers.
That's going in the bag as well. So where do we carry all of this stuff? One bag.
We carry everything in here besides the drone and the gimbal. Although sometimes I do put the drone in here. Yes, this bag is that big.
Yeah, there's so much space in there.
This has a front pocket, of course, for the laptop, and Joanne sometimes will put her iPad in there. And then on the front here, it's really neat. It's got a place to put your.
Oh my gosh.
It's got a place to put your tripod.
We didn't even tell you how a tripod, guys.
Oh.
It's currently right there.
Right there, yes, it's sitting on there. But it's just a good old tripod, and it goes right here, which is pretty neat. 2 side pouches for water bottles, or I just stuff random stuff in there on the go. And then back here, this thing unzips, and you have a bunch of compartments. You can put something here, here, and then when you open this up, you have all your compartments that you can organize yourself and move around just to fit your lenses, your camera, the drone sometimes, and there's a lot of room in this bag.
Much more space than you really need is in there.
It can get pretty heavy too.
Yeah, that's why he carries it. So that's basically all our technical gear that we carry in our bag. We still gotta go pack our actual clothes.
Can't forget our chones.
We do want to mention these guys. These are freaking game changers. Packing cubes are like the best thing you could do for travel.
It really compresses clothes well.
And keeps you organized. I don't know how we were traveling for the last like 3 years without these things. So this is our handy little handheld scale. You just attach it to your luggage bags, turn it on, lift it, and it'll tell you the weight right here on the screen. So we always try to weigh all our checked luggage beforehand just to make sure we're not going to incur any additional charges at the baggage check-in counter. Super handy.
And then of course we're not going anywhere without these. That would be terrible.
Yep.
Nightmarish.
But we're excited that we're putting this bad boy to use again. So we're gonna go ahead and pack up, and we will see you guys in another country in the next vlog.
Yes, we'll give you all those details in the next video. And if you guys like the video, be sure to give it a like.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing.
Hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we post. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.